Hi guys, this is the CATHAY PACIFIC Update here. Me, my all-star FILA, and my friend from the Philippines, but currently in Jakarta, Roberto Monaco Ignacio. Today I would like to talk about two Boeing 777s that simultaneously returned to Hong Kong tonight. It's currently nighttime in Hong Kong, like past midnight on the 5th, but still currently the 4th here in Toronto. The first aircraft I would like to talk about is a retired Boeing 777-367ER registration Bravo Kilo Papa Papa. The aircraft departed runway 05 at Xiamen and arrived at runway 07 Center at Hong Kong Airport. And as you can see, the aircraft is parked at gate number 5. I guess this is gate number 5, and I expect that she's not going to return to service. So the aircraft returned on the 4th, and with the flight number CX-3389er. She doesn't have the departure time, but she arrived at 10:08 p.m. local time in Hong Kong. So Bravo Kilo Papa Papa is a 12-year-old Boeing 777 with manufacturer serial number 36164, line number 845. The aircraft had its first flight on the 19th of January 2010, and a test registration November 1785 Bravo. The aircraft was delivered on the 11th of February 2010 and was leased from BOC Aviation. The aircraft was withdrawn for use on the 24th of November and was stored at Xiamen on the 28th. So she flew to Xiamen on the 28th. How many days since? So she stayed a total, including the day she flew to Xiamen, a total of 38 days. So she was repainted and newly ran. She was one of the Boeing 777s that were leased from BOC Aviation that will be likely to be leased to Qatar Airways. Currently, she's returning from her lease, so to Bravo Kilo Papa Papa at BOC Aviation. So this is our first aircraft. The second aircraft I would like to talk about is Bravo Kilo Quebec, India. Sorry that it says Guangzhou here, but she returned from Xiamen, not Guangzhou. The aircraft departed at 8:49 p.m. local time and arrived at 9:53 p.m. having a flight time of 1 hour and 4 minutes. The aircraft took the flight number CX-3409er, departing. Oh, I already said the time she departed. So the aircraft also departed runway 05, and she arrived at runway 07 Center at Hong Kong, and I guess she is parked just about the same place as Bravo Kilo Papa Papa. So Bravo Kilo Quebec, India is special because she is the first Boeing 777 to be repainted in the Oneworld livery back in late March of 2019. So she is 8 years old, and she had manufacturer serial number 41429, and the line number is 1139. The aircraft took her first test flight on the 12th of September 2013 and was delivered that year on the 1st of October. And the aircraft was repainted and reconfigured in her Oneworld delivery in March 2019, and she was stored at Alice Springs between the 14th of October last year until the 11th of November this year. The aircraft is powered by two GE90-115 engines, both aircraft are, and the hex code is 78 O Alpha 3 Bravo. And I'm trying to find a date that Bravo Kilo Quebec India flew to Xiamen. Okay, she flew to Xiamen on the 7th of December, so this means she stayed a total of 29 days, including the day she flew. Oh yeah, I forgot to see what the hex code of Papa is. 78023 Charlie. So both aircraft simultaneously returned to Hong Kong, just about the same time, and hopefully Bravo Kilo Quebec India returns to service, and Bravo Kilo Papa will be retired and possibly be leased to Qatar Airways. I am not sure what the red will be, but it's likely to be Alpha 7 Bravo Oscar Delta. I'm not sure, but it may be that. And that's it, guys. So if you want to see more videos like this one, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the CATHAY Pacific Updates. If you do not want to miss an update, please make sure to hit the bell. Or me, also Rafael Hui, and my friend from the Philippines, currently Jakarta, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, Bravo Kilo Quebec Bravo Kilo Papa and Bravo Kilo Quebec India. If you're watching this video, please leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, and bye for now.